All right, we're at a sixth grade promotion. We specialize in low to no liability pieces that are approved at all the parks, school districts, and it's a very high-end experience. We engage kids in competitions with our different sport pieces, different interactive pieces, our amazing mega field games, continually moving kids through activities, building great memories. We've had several people say this is better than Disneyland. The kids in this group went to Disneyland 2 days ago, and today they're here, and this is more take-home memories, more unique interaction than even Disneyland. A lot of cool rides, no bouncers because it's all low liability stuff. We're focusing on young kids, and this event's got 100. We commonly do 300 to 400. It's a great experience, and you see all these fun activities. Parents are helping run them. We're doing competitions, giving away prizes, ambient music, fun food. It's a great package for young people, whether it be a field day, whether it be a promotion, or whether it just be an open house or good behavior day. This is a great spread that you might want to utilize for your group.